Although there are many beautiful places in Washington state, there aren't many that are quite as picturesque as an apple orchard in the springtime. That makes today the perfect day to walk through the trees with horticulturalist Dave Gleason. For Dave, apple orchards have been an essential part of his life from the very beginning.
When I was 6 months old, my parents were picking apples on the family farm and I was in an apple box under the tree. My learning started early.
And his education has taken him far. Today, you might call Dave something of an apple expert, and he's sharing that knowledge with his clients.
When you plant trees, it's 3 to 5 years before you really start producing. At this point in my career, I'm working with outside growers, giving them advice, looking at what they're growing, how they can maximize it, and help them make decisions and operations in whatever way I can help.
I think orchardists are very lucky to have you.
Although this orchard doesn't appear to have any fruit on the trees, we can already see the beginnings of some amazing apples.
This is a cosmic crisp block. They're looking beautiful at the moment. We're in what they call the first bloom stage. So some of the first king blooms are starting to open up. It's a little chilly at the moment. There's bees in the orchard too that'll start getting busy in the next hour or so. A tree, of course, in the spring, before it starts doing anything, it looks dead. So it's pretty amazing that they come alive again and wake up. And one of the first things they do is flower, and that's the beginning of the apple. There's male and female parts in the inside of the flower. Inside the center are ovaries, and you can see eggs, or actually seeds, that become the core of the fruit. Most apple varieties are not self-fruitful, so though there's pollen and male and female parts, the male parts won't pollinize in that individual variety. So we've actually planted other types of apples inside the block to have a diversity of pollen. And then we need the insects, the bees in particular, to move that pollen from flower to flower so that then the apple begins to develop. There's somewhere between 5 to 7 flowers in one bud.
Yeah.
And each of those flowers can become an apple. There's one in the center that is the first one to bloom, and it's head and shoulders above the others.
Yeah.
And that's the king bloom. Generally, in most varieties, that would be the best apple. Washington has a wonderful climate. It's a very special place in that regard, growing some of the best apples in the world, probably the best. What a beautiful day to be out here.
I know, right? It's warm, sunny, apple blossoms. It's a good day.